Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and this is super sour taste testing. Today I'm doing two. This was when you I don't know. I'm just gonna let's see the cost of this. Really good. I tried it myself. It's juice drop taffy. Juice drop taffy. Okay, so let's get this guy open and try it. I'm good at looking at this.
Next phase, next. Did I have your registration? I don't think I can accept this because this is April the 10th. That registration's no good.
What you talking about? I got the sticker on my card. Is up to
I don't care. I need this.
I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Mom, you were just pointing at the candy the whole time?
Well, you didn't tell me what to do.
I didn't. My mom is the cameraman. I mean, camera woman. My bad.
Can you come up? I don't have to deal with it.
Camera.
I wasn't even talking to you.
You want him back because I'm really... Okay.
Camera ma'am.
Talking to her. Now why she don't get an attitude with me?
Go.
I just want to get the people in it.
And all the taffy are in the official bag store.
Get the registration out of the car.
Okay.
There are seven taffy, and
There's more than 7. There's 8.
Son came back with the wrong registration card, so he's going back out to the car to
There you
look
go.
for the correct
Now let
one.
me open one. I guess this is what the taffy looks like. I'm gonna go get a bowl, and first I'll spray the juice in.
I'm just gonna slap this on the window when I go back in there. I'm going to be sarcastic now.
There's only one line. The line is that way. They're taking it from that line.
It's so busy right now. It gets kind of confusing for customers, but just because you might have went outside to get your registration insurance, you gotta get back in.
Why are you doing that? It's not gonna work, Karen. Well, look at that. Well, it looks like this is what the juice looks like. Right there. Okay, so let's get the taffy in here. And spray some
I'm
more.
making a video right now.
Killing me, man. You have to wait in line. I did explain that you had to get in the back of the line.
Half time.
No, not really.
Uh-huh.
Give me a break.
Let's try it. Let's see what it tastes like.
There's only one line. I'll wait on it. I'm just saying she has to get in line.
Are you serious?
She can't keep cutting in front of people.
Time, man.
Jeremy, your video. Keep filming your video. Are you done?
Don't press the red button. Yeah, he's done. He's not done. No, I'm not done yet. Wait. Sour? Pretty sour. Pretty good though. Yeah. This is the final one.
Yeah, but with an attitude problem like that, we don't definitely want to leave them around here too much longer.
He been nasty the whole time.
Next in line. How you doing?
Well, this is juice drop pop.
Behold, a better breakfast under 200 calories.
Jeremy, your video's almost 5 minutes. Hurry up. Pouring.
You say just one of the many freshly made breakfast favorites and amazingly under 200 calories. Only at Subway. Subway, eat fresh.
Mom and Dad have been kind of
Peace out.
lately. Yep.
Thank you for watching the video.
Daddy to date night.
If you're not sorry fan, don't get these.
Weird.
Peace out. By the way, you could get these at Walmart. You guys
No, I got them at Giant Eagle.
Giant Eagle. Peace out.
All in one place.